this. So guys, this video I'm going to be featuring this hair dye. This is a hair dye specifically for natural hair. I received it as PR from a company called Heidi Rose. Let me show you guys. I received 2 of them. So I've already used some of this one before when I did the Pennywise clown makeup look for Halloween. I colored some of my hair red. So this one is the new one. So I'm doing, this is like me officially showing you guys the product that I used. It's called Hued Hair Temporary Hair Color Cream. This is the shade Deep Lavender, while this one is called Prom Dress. So this is Deep Lavender, and it's from a company called Heidi Rose Beauty, manufactured by Heidi Rose Beauty. Follow us on Instagram. That's their link up there. You guys go check them out, and they also have some of their details here. So the ingredients, we have water, aloe vera juice, olive oil, castor oil, cetyl alcohol, and some other things that I can't pronounce. You guys know I'm always like biting my tongue when I try to pronounce some of this stuff. Okay, so for instructions here, it says take a small amount of cream and smooth and rake through damp or dry hair. So you can use it either on damp or dry hair. And when I did the Pennywise look, I actually used this one. I did it on dry hair, and it was really easy to use and distribute around my hair. And I washed off my hands, and it came off without staining my hands. And when I washed the hair some days after, it came up so easily. So it comes out so easily. It didn't break my hair or whatever. So I already have a first impression about it. So it says rake through damp or dry hair starting from the ends and walk up to the roots. Can be used over leave-in conditioners and gel, style as desired. Yeah, so I'm going to be demonstrating how I did my hair using this. So let's get right into it, guys. type of hair should I have done when I was in secondary school? Not now, I'm too old for this shit. I'm too old for this goddamn shit.